Out with your old MPV and in with the DENZA D9. This is Malaysia's most popular electric MPV, and this month DENZA is inviting you not just to trade in but to trade up. Introducing the 15,000 ringgit DENZA Trade Up campaign. All this campaign period, if you trade up to a DENZA D9, you'll be entitled to 15,000 ringgit in value when you trade up from your old MPV. Not only that, you also get a 22 kilowatt AC charger for your home and also 6 years of service coverage up to 120,000 kilometers. Step inside the DENZA D9 and you realize that it's not just an electric MPV. This is luxury that has been brought up a notch. All the seats in the front row and the second row are ventilated and they've got massage function. So this is a luxury like you've never experienced before in an MPV of this price and class. On top of that, the features are amazing. You got 50-watt charging. You got this huge display here. You got a sunroof for the front passengers and the middle row passengers. It's just a different level of luxury. And if you're worried about comfort at the back, well, don't be, because it's an MPV. It's what it's about. So in the back here, you got your own 50-watt wireless Qi charger. You got a display here to control a lot of the functions, including the seat position and massage and ventilation. You got your own table. You've got a fridge to keep a couple of cold bottles of water. And if you're worried about range from back here, you actually don't need to worry, because the DENZA D9 has up to 600 kilometers of range. And in terms of comfort, the dsf.my is a very, very advanced damping system. It can adapt to any of Malaysia's roads, no matter how terrible or how good. This suspension system is just there to make the experience amazing. So trade up today and discover the future of electric mobility. Head to any of the DENZA showrooms in KL, JB, Melaka and beyond and find out for yourself.